All right, today we have something a little bit different for you. Usually I'm on that side of the camera, but today I'm over here and we're doing an unboxing. All right, so what we have is a couple items for a TTRS, 2.5 of course. It's the newest generation, Gen 3. But anyway, let's get into it. I believe there's an intake, some exhaust bits, and maybe a couple other items. So let's take a look. First thing I'd like to say, APR always really knows how to do their advertising. I really like it. Nice APR logo on there. Box is nice and stable. Everything seems nice and secure. So don't need the knife for this one. So let's open this. Again, nice packing as you can see. It's that foamy stuff that they put the plastic in, and they put the foam inside and shoot it up and make it all tight. First up, we got some bolts. All the hardware needed. Looks like we have the copper locking nuts, as well as 2 gaskets, and all the needed bolts. And by the looks of it, I would say that this is the test pipe. So this would be a Resonator Delete. If you look, I don't know if you can see in this camera, but in the GoPro, APR is really great at doing proper welds on things. And what I mean is that you don't see any welds on the outside, you see them on the inside. Nice thick stainless flange, just really nicely done. I don't know if there's anything else in here, so let's take a look. And we have another one. So obviously there's 2 that are needed for this. This one's the same as the other one, so I'm not going to bother showing you. But as you can see, everything's packed in there really nicely. Nothing moves around. And everything's quite nice. Let's see if we can get this back together now. Like every little piece, I think of. I believe this is the downpipe. And actually, if you read right there, it says downpipe. Uh-oh. Stop. Don't throw this away. APR software authorization code. This code is required to obtain the APR software included with your product purchase. Please provide this to the APR dealer performing your software update. Not sure if I'm not showing this code. Might have to blank it out. This is the paperwork you get. Couple gaskets. Oh, instruction manuals. Can all be found online. Maybe during the video what I'll do is I'll pop up, maybe now, what the actual manuals look like, because from what I can remember, they are very, very detailed, going through step by step exactly what to do, where a lot of other manufacturers don't do that. So again, back to this, looks like you have a couple gaskets here, all the proper OE looking crush nuts as well, and actually these are kind of OE looking gaskets. Big packing piece. Ooh. This is very nice, as you can see from above, but you can't see it. Look at that. So this is a really interesting piece, mainly because of this piece here, which I believe is a cast piece. So it's all form flowed and properly engineered to actually have really good flow through the passages, so you don't get that weld that comes through here, restricting flow, or just a weird look to it. And then also this way they can get really tight fitment, so everything fits properly, and nothing really doesn't line up properly. Everything does line up great. So the first thing I noticed, again, like I was mentioning on the test pipes, was the welds that are around this flange here. V-band flange, welded on this side of the flange. On this side, fully welded within. I'm no welding expert myself, but from what I know from hearing from Dave and also reading up online, this is the way that you do want to weld this product. The heat, expansion, everything else is the way you should do it. Little APR logo on the bung here for the O2 sensors. APR logo on this. You have nice high quality stainless steel flexes. All the proper brackets here to mount up to the OE positioning. These are also welded the way that I was saying the other side is welded. Full stainless steel. You even get this really nice badge here for motorsport use only, not for use on public roads. And it's proudly welded by Mitch. So, hey Mitch, thanks for giving us good welds and a good product. All right, next we have APR 2.5 TFSI. It says Turbo, but I'm sure that's supposed to be turbo, inlet. So let's take a look. Again, great packing like always. Oh, that's gonna make a mess. So we have even packing on the inside. Very lightweight, very nicely done carbon fiber. Little APR badge on there. This looks to be 4-inch, I would say. Very nice bracket on here that's fully carbon as well. Just a very, very nice piece and extremely, extremely lightweight. Nice and smooth inside. I don't know if you can see. Noif. So very nice with the APR logo on there, 4-inch turbo inlet pipe. Very well done, stainless steel bracket on here for heat. Everything's nicely done. TIG welded pipe here, APR logo along this as well, which goes up against your stock turbo, as you can see. Stock turbo. What else is in here? So I'm not going to open this one. All the clamps in the bag are stainless steel with silicone couplers. Any hoses that you may need, vacuum lines, everything here is in the bag, as well as all the clamps. Next is probably the other part of the intake. More of these little packing peanuts. Huge filter, holy. So nice big cone filter, huge inlet, lets lots of air flow through, and as you may or may not know, the more volume that you have in these ridges, it's actually the more airflow that you're going to have going through. So it's actually really good to have a large filter. And ooh, another very large carbon piece. So here it is, very nicely molded. You have a 6-inch inlet that goes into this 4-inch section here. You have all the proper tubing here that everything matches up to all your OE stuff if needed. Very smooth transitions. Again, a very, very nice piece, and it weighs practically like nothing. Again, another silicone coupler. All the brackets you need pre-bent to mount this thing, and as well as some very fancy looking bolts. Now that I unpack things, then pack them back up, I decided to unpack them again to lay them out on the table so you can get a better look at them. So this is the downpipe as well as the 2 test pipe. So you have the 2 gaskets for this flange. I believe it looks like it comes with 2 extra gaskets, I guess. Maybe if you just got the test pipes, you didn't get the downpipe, that's why it comes with those. But if you get the downpipe, you need these as well. So I imagine that's the situation with that. So everything you need there, obviously these would bolt on. All the hardware is there. Yeah, overall look, there it is. Here it is, all laid out. Obviously the couplers go in place where they need to go. Filter would go onto here, and then the rest of the hoses would hook up as per normal. Nice lightweight. For you weirdos that like sounds and stuff, I can whisper it. Do stuff like that. I don't know what you're into. Whatever you're into, fine with me. Something a little bit different for you guys today. A little bit of an unboxing. 2.5, 5-cylinder turbo car stuff. And I don't know how to end these. So there we have it. Our first unboxing video. I'm not sure if you guys enjoyed this content or not. Make sure you like and subscribe. I believe that's what I'm supposed to say right now. Also, if you like any of the swag, we do have some of that available on the website. I will put it down in the comments or in the description, I guess. That's it. Let us know if you liked it. If not, then let us know or don't let us know. It's up to you. Anyway, there we go. It's like digging for treasure. I like it. Nice, thick, stainless, whatever the f this thing is called. Stainless steel, the f are these things called? I'm getting mad at myself. And until next time, that is everything.